We'll guide you through how to enable two-step verification for Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Gmail account on your desktop and make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture and then select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Security. Scroll down until you find the Signing into Google section. Here, you'll see two-step verification. Click on that option. Now, you need to hit the Get Started button. Google might ask you to re-enter your password for security reasons, so just go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you'll see options for setting up your two-step verification. You can choose to receive a text message or phone call with a code. Enter your phone number and click Next. Google will send you a code to verify your number. Enter that code and click Next again. Now your two-step verification is set up, adding an extra layer of security to your account. You can also explore other options like using the Google Authenticator app for verification codes if you want more flexibility. Just remember, with two-step verification enabled, you'll need your phone to access your account, so keep it handy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.